Konnichiwa, Samurai Indian desu. Look at Peppa and George. Again, we change the water. Jiko-chan changed the water into a clean one. Peppa is drinking water. And they are feeding from my palm at the same time. Wow. This is the first time they do this. This is the rare time they do it. Eating from my palm at the same time.
What is a baby parakeet? A baby parakeet. 1 year old. It's a flower bird.
So, as you can see, Peppa is dominating George. George is the first one who started eating in my palm, and when Peppa came along, George stopped eating. And also today, Peppa started trying out some bananas.
Wow.
Please speak clearly. You have to speak clearly. George cannot
I love it.
eat anymore.
Hi. I love you. I love you. You must be even on I can do it.
Okay, see you again tomorrow. Bye. Good night, Peppa and George.